Hi DIY tubers, just thought I'd do you a little video on the Dewalt DW872 chop saw I got for doing cutting metal. It's pretty nice. Bought it on Amazon and got it nice and safe. A little damage to the box, but overall not too bad. Cuts really good. I'm happy with it. I don't cut really fast with it because I want to save the blade for a long period of time because they're expensive. Got a lot of solid build to it. Got a good kick when that motor comes on. So I'll demo that right now. Huh, son of a bitch. Those are no good. Got my earplugs in anyways. Plug that in. Never leave a power tool plugged in. Some metal for my trailer build. I think I'll name my trailer Overkill because it's going to be a pretty hefty trailer. Got a really good screw on it. And there you have it, Dewalt DW872, yes. And I'm very happy with it for the price. I think it was, geez, I can't remember, $4.50 thereabouts. I had bought this rigid blade from Amazon thinking it was a whole saw for $350, and then I had to send it back and got the saw for another $100. They had no problems exchanging it and giving me refund and shipping towards this and the other one, so it was great. Anyways, that's it, and I'll be posting some more videos about the trailer build coming up later. Bye.